Welcome children, let us continue lesson 8 in English reader Chintu and the Chicks. In last class I explained half part of the lesson. Today I am going to explain next part of the lesson. Chintu goes to school. The chicks go to school too. Look at this picture. Chintu goes to school. Yes, we can see Chintu is wearing his school uniform. Can you see children? Yes. Chintu is hanging a school bag. You can see. So Chintu goes to school. And what the chicks are doing? The chicks also go to school. See, chicks are also walking. Then what happens? Can you see next picture? When Chintu reached the school, all his friends, they surrounded them. Can you see? They are surrounding them. See, they all have come to meet Chintu and his chicks. Then all the children, look at the picture. How do they feel? See here, the children feel happy. See, all are smiling. They are so happy to see the chicks. So, the children feel happy. Now, let's look at this picture. What does the chick do? See, a chick has a chalk in its hand. And wow, the chick writes. Can you see, children? Look at the chick. What is the chick doing? The chick writes. What is the chick writing? The chick is writing numbers. The chick writes 1, 2, and 3. Like this. Wow! And the children feel so happy by seeing the chick writing the numbers. Isn't it, children? Yes. What are the lines, children? Shall we read? A chick has a chalk. Look at this chick. The chick writes 1, 2, 3. Children, did you enjoy the story? It's a very nice story, isn't it, children? So, did you complete reading the textbook? In previous class we completed these all lines in this chapter. Yes or no, children? Once again you read all the lines in the chapter lesson 8 till here. You complete and underline all the CH sound words. We completed lesson, no, children? So today you open page number 25. We will complete the exercise in the textbook. Do it yourself. Answer the following questions orally. Who has chubby cheeks, children? Can you see here? What is the boy name? Chintu. So Chintu has chubby cheeks. So right answer CHINTU. Chintu. How many cheeks does Chintu have? Come on, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 cheeks. Write here answer F5BE5. Where does Chintu go? Chintu go to school. SCHOOL, school. Are the children happy to see the chicks? Yes or no? See how they are smiling. So answer is yes. Why yes? So in this way you complete in the textbook right answers. Now color only those food items which are mentioned in the lesson. Children, in this lesson what are the food items mentioned? I explain you know. Chapati, cherry, cheese, chocolate. You find out and color those food items in this picture. As you can see now this picture, how they colored. Complete children. Next fill in the blanks, choosing the correct word from the box. They have given a help box here. You have to choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Chintu is a, what is the answer? Rich. R-I-C-H, rich. Okay, Chintu is a rich boy. Children, in this way you select the word from the help box and complete other sentences as I already explained now children for you. Today you open your English classwork and write a new page, lesson 8. Write date, today's Chintu and the chicks lesson name. We will write new words. Write neatly on the line in cursive handwriting children. I'll show how to write. First new word R-I-C-H, rich. Next new word C-H-U-B-B-Y, chubby. Next third new word C-U-T-E, cute. Next fourth one C-H-I-C-K-S, chicks. While writing, you have to read and write children. Learn the spellings. Chicks. Next lunch. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Next sixth one bench. B-N-C-H, bench. So still there are few more new words. I will send you the pic children. You try to complete it. Next page, after writing new words, you do an activity. Write heading activity. What activity children? Write CH before or after to make a word. Here are few letters. You have to add CH for this before or after to these letters and you should make a correct word. Okay children, first word I will show you. E-R-R-Y. What should I add? Where should I add CH? Before or after? Before. So what is the word? C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. So in this way you try to complete all these words by adding CH before or after. You think and complete this activity children. So read the textbook today once again, Chintu and the Chicks chapter, and complete all this work children. Thank you. Have a good day.